Okay, the second part of example 1 is going to be to find the total area. Now, in order to find the total area, we need to find the lateral area, which we already did. That happens to be right here. And then the area of the base. Now, the area of the base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. And again, I just want to note that we're talking about exact. If we're talking about exact, we're going to keep pi in the answer. So pi is going to be part of the answer. So the area of the base, I'm going to put capital B. That's always, capital B is always the area of the base. Is going to be r is equal to 15. So it's going to be 15 squared pi, which is 225 pi units squared. And remember, we're putting U because they did not give us units. Normally they would give us inches, feet, meters, centimeters, something like that, and that's what we would square. So so now that we have that, we find the area of the base. So we're going to have the lateral area plus area of the base is going to equal the total area. So I'm going to get my 375 pi plus my 225 pi. Going to add that up. And we're going to get 600 pi units squared. So that's our answer, 600 pi units squared.